Miss Cias from Rider PH.
Yeah. Hi Earl, congrats.
Thank you.
Grabe yung kanta mo, tipo. LSS ako dun ah.
Thank you po.
And then, my first question is, kailan at sa paanong paraan mo naramdaman na sumisikat ka na?
Sorry?
Kailan at sa paanong paraan mo naramdaman na sumisikat ka na?
Kailan at sa paanong paraan? hindi ko pa naman siya like super ramdam na like ay wow sikat na ako, but like siguro may idea lang ako na kumakalat na yung music ko, ganun. Kasi sobrang laking bagay, sobrang laking help ng social media talaga. So itong recently siguro it's been 2 or 3 weeks na every time I hop on social media and I see my songs everywhere, I hear my songs everywhere sa mga posts and people dancing to it even, nagulat ako doon. People doing covers of my songs, doon ako pinaka natuwa kasi I used to do a lot of covers then with like songs from other artists. So siguro sa ganung paraan, like I saw na kumakalat na siya, na a lot of people are using the songs for their own content, ganun. Siguro sa ganung paraan nafe-feel ko na hindi naman siguro sa sumisikat, pero like siguro gaining more listeners, ganun, and supporters siguro ng music ko. Ano po?
And my next question is, ano yung biggest goal mo sa music career?
My biggest goal sa music career siguro is to establish a legacy na sa tunog ko, like sa sound ko as myself, as Earl Agustin, na ma-establish ko siya sa OPM na ay si Earl to, parang pag may narinig silang music na specific kung sakali, parang si Earl Agustin nung 2020, siguro parang medyo ganun. So ayun yung that would be a nice goal siguro for me sa music career. Ayun.
And my next question is, anong masasabi mo sa mga taong nagsasabi na kinukumpara ka sa tulad nila Arthur Neri at Zach Tabudlo?
Zach Tabudlo and Arthur Neri. So first and foremost, those guys are two of the best artists that we have in this generation, and I am a big fan of both actually. And siguro I think people say such things is because siguro we write on like similar themes, siguro sa pag-ibig, ganun, and all three of us I think are on the same ano tawag dito, hindi naman siya genre kasi mine is more retro pop R&B, and then siguro sila is more modern type of R&B. So siguro because din of the genre, kaya siguro nila nasasabi din. Pero I think it's very flattering to be mentioned among these names ba na kasi to me these are really really great artists, and to even be mentioned aside na kasama yung mga names na to is a big deal for me. So ayun, grateful pa rin ako regardless.
And my last question is, anong mas pabor sa'yo? Yung babae manligaw or ikaw yung manliligaw?
Siyempre ako yung manligaw. Siyempre, at the end of the day, it should be me. Yeah, old school ako. Hindi ako sure kung may ganun na ba ngayon na babae yung nanligaw. Pero ako kasi medyo ma-old school ako. So, I prefer to, it would be me.
Okay, thank you and congrats.
Thank you po.
Gagawa ko ng sayo yung tipo.
Uy! Yan, thank you po.
Thank you, Rider PH. Let's hear from Sir Jonathan Buena of News 5.